Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from any Android smartphone to your iPhone 14 Pro or any other iPhone 14 series. So to do this, first we'll need to get the same app on both of the devices. So for the iPhone, open up your App Store and locate app called Send Anywhere. Do the same thing on your smartphone with Android. Enter Send Anywhere. Click on Install. And right here on this cloud with an arrow pointing down. When it's ready, open it. You'll need to allow a few permissions to the app. Now when it's ready on the Android, we'll be able to open it as well. From here we can select multiple photos or videos, audio, apps, contacts and files. So if, for example, if you want to send a photo, click on it like this. You can do the same thing with videos, audio, apps and contacts or files. Now since we'll be receiving files on the iPhone, click on the Receive tab right here. Now when all files are selected, click on the Send on your Android. You will see the code as well as the QR code and share link. You can use 3 of these methods to send the files, and I'll be using the code. So now let's enter it on the iPhone. Receive. And now in a few seconds we should receive the file and we can check it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.